I'm also filming outside because it's like a hush-hush secret right now. Ethan has been out of town for the weekend. He wanted a dirt bike, and he's wanted a dirt bike for a really long time. He's never had one before. We are waiting for him to get home right now. He doesn't think he's gonna get one. Like, we tried to look on Craigslist and we couldn't really find one, and so he doesn't think he's gonna get one. So he's like really disappointed, but that's all he's talking about is trying to get a dirt bike. So yesterday, me and my aunt and my dad all got in the truck and took a trailer all the way down to about an hour away from where we live to go look at this dirt bike. We kept it a secret that yesterday when we went on Craigslist, my aunt actually figured out how to find all the dirt bikes because they were under motorcycles. Go figure. And so we found one about 45 minutes away from our house. So we went to go look at it, and it's a 2005 Honda CRF 100, and so we decided that we were going to get it. So we bought it and then we brought it home. Basically, we were running all over trying to find him a dirt bike yesterday, and we finally got him one. So what he doesn't know is whenever he gets home tonight, which is really upset probably because he couldn't stay another night at his friend's house on Sunday night. What he doesn't know is whenever he gets home, I'm going to call Julie and my aunt and have her come, and then my dad, he's going to go into the house and tell Ethan that he needs him to help him lift something in the garage. And then when he comes outside, what he doesn't know is that he's going to see his very first dirt bike, and I'm so excited. He's going to be very excited. Keep watching, guys. So he can pick up the book.
Thank you.
Nerd!
Thank you. I knew that was going to happen.
He said which one?
I love y'all. I was wondering why Julie was here.
Oh, dang!
Just said, I got it on tape. I recorded it. No, but really.
Nothing?
He just said which one, like. Oh, I just had the best idea ever. But after y'all walked out,
door so we would have to come around back.
Because I was going to be like, we should all pretend that we're asleep in the house, and, like nobody's like around to get the door.
Thank you.
Daddy said that he would have done it too.
What?
Have you ever rode a bike?
Which one?
That one.
a dirt bike.
Okay. Oh, Lord.
It's going to be friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girl, you can record it. Why you gonna touch me? I had no plan in this.
Happy.
I didn't even know that you got the darn thing.
Abby didn't even know we got it for you until 5 minutes ago.
So she wouldn't tell you.
I would have told you.
Half an hour ago she found out we got it.
Yeah.
When she was going through my phone.
I'm not taking a picture of it and send it to Michael because.
And we were riding it around the yard while Abby and Grandpa were at church. And we were like, I sure hope Jacob or Elsie Lee or somebody don't drive by and text you and be like, your dad's driving a dirt
Am I allowed to
bike.
ride this thing?
I'm like shaking because I got so excited.
It's a good thing I wasn't
I'm shaking because I'm cold. Kicked out, y'all. It's time for bed.
We thought about it.
Is that why y'all kept calling me asking when I was going to get home?
Yeah.
Yes, because you told us you were on your way home at 6:12 and it's 9:12.
We stayed there for a while.
I believe it.
Today was perfect riding weather.
Yes, it was.
I rode it. I drove it a little bit.
That's why I don't want to go to school, 'cause I'm tired and I did so much of it today.
Guess what? Nighttime's for sleeping.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm locking y'all out.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you like the sticker on the front?
Yeah, it's false.
We went all the way to Ram Sewer to get it. And we drove all around North Carolina trying to find you one.
No, they did not. They went to Winston-Salem.
Winston-Salem?
Well,
But Winston's still like that. Don't you get on that thing tonight?
Yeah, we went to Winston-Salem and they said $1,800 and then they wouldn't let us leave with it for less than $227.
Huh?
Yeah.
So how many times do y'all think Ethan's gonna wreck?
Oh, he's gonna lay that thing down a bunch of times.
I'm
So when
shaking.
he gets that first hospital bill because you know
I'm not going to go that bad with it.
he broke his like arm and like 8 other parts of his body. I won't hear it.
Dang it. I wanted... You know I'm missing Walking Dead for this crap. Because I wanted to see your reaction.
You know.
The new episode, the season premiere, comes on tonight. That has nothing to do with Netflix.
gas on.
Yeah, I just turned it on.
Did you take the key out?
No, he's in.
He's done.
You're lucky nobody came by and stole it while we was waiting on you.
It's got a key on it, but we ain't even messing with it. It's already in here and put it up and lock it.
Wait, is it a Kickstart?
Yeah. It should be out of here. That's the first.
Let me get away from you.
Put your toe under it
Mm-hmm.
and just
Kick
pull
up.
up just one little, go back down with it. Okay, come up just barely. One more. Okay, see if it'll roll. All the way down and just
You
a
can
little
start
bump up
recording.
puts it in neutral. You're in neutral. And that's what you need to be in when you start it. In neutral.
I'm putting you on
can be in
YouTube.
gear, but you gotta always have the clutch in. So it's just better.
You know which one the clutch is? Well,
This one?
no. That's the front brake.
Yeah.
That's the clutch. Do not use
The front
brake.
I know. I don't want to die.
That brake, that pedal right there.
This one?
No,
This one.
that's the rear brake. That's the one you use to stop.
I know.
If you don't want to go,
You act like I've never ridden a bike before.
you never have.
I've ridden that kind of bike that
This is totally
This is totally different. This is completely...
Nothing like that right there.
No,
No.
I'm talking about like the braking, like which brake I need to use
Right.
when I'm going fast. That's the one I know.
She was like white knuckle.
She was.
Yeah, terrified. Because this thing has got some power to it.
What does
My car,
Jordan?
4-stroke 8.
He's got
4-stroke 80. Yeah, he's got an 80.
Hey,
He's going to get a 2-stroke for
Oh, that'd
Christmas.
kill him.
yeah.
If it was his first bike. Does it feel tough?
It's
just
got
got
it's
fuel
got
in
quite a
it.
bit in it. Okay, let's see if you can start it.
Is it out of gear?
Roll it forward to see if yeah.
Yeah.
And you know how to start it?
So
Don't give it any gas.
Oh my gosh.
just keep down.
Hard. Hard.
Slamming doors. Now, when you pull it back, if you start to let go of it, it'll jerk you backwards and it'll make you pull it harder. That's why they get away from
You have a
people.
helmet on? No, he ain't gonna ride.
It'd be like a death switch.
Yeah.
I love it.
Huh?
You need to be daylight and up
In the front guard.
Where's the red helmet? Just to see if it'll
I'm
fit.
allowed to drive that, right?
I can't.
That little.
Daddy,
Huh?
I can drive that, right?
We'll see.
Maybe we'll see.
Will you go
Not with
on?
that ankle like that.
Jeffrey on the prune.
It is.
This was a whole day's worth of looking for a dirt bike for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't kill yourself or Ed either one.
What do you want to tell YouTube? What do you want to, well, really, what do you want to tell us?
Thank you and I love you.
We love you too.
What do you want to tell YouTube? I love you. Yeah, because they're the one that bought me.
Alright, I'm going to the house now.
I'm gonna put it up.
It's going in.
And I'm ticked off because I miss Walking Dead.
This thing sitting out.
I know.
It will get stolen.
Yeah, Craigslist has got them listed stolen and showing their pictures of their bikes where people.
I've stolen it.
Yeah.
I know this will get stolen. Especially in this area. You're gonna open the garage door?
I'm gonna ride around through the yard.
In the dark?
Yeah.
What?
I
Alright.
know what I'm doing.
Do you need any more lights cut on?
Huh?
Do you want any more lights cut on? Alrighty. Into the dark.
Yeah, he's coming around the...
We gotta get you a helmet. Well, where's the... Who grabbed the... Who took the red helmet in?
I did. I put it back up in the closet.
Okay.
His head cannot fit me.
Yeah, I don't think it could, but...
Yeah.
What do you think of it, Daddy?
You gotta have
A guy's helmet.
What did you say about it earlier?
Yeah, did it kill him?
No. You said it's fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
That's what you're doing.
And you got to start it about every day. Keep the fuel from going the carburetor up.
Get started.
You're not riding right now.
You see, I mean, them helmets, I know you did.
I was telling Joy.
Huh?
I was showing Joy that I can wear this helmet. This
You
curly
need the
helmet. Full face mask. Yeah. Ow, I hit myself in the
We'll
head.
get you one Tuesday.
Thanks for showing up at the last freaking second and making me miss Walking Dead.
Welcome.
We were betting you were gonna cry.
You weren't betting if I was gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry.
I was hoping you were.
I was hoping you'd be so happy you'd cry tears of joy.
This was the best weekend actually, because whenever everything was happening.
Did your friend like going up to Thomas's?
Pettit loved it.
Pettit.
It's P.
Let me hold it for you.
There you go. Sorry. Didn't think you needed it. Like right here.
Yeah, I always just paint my foot through this.
So you never rode one of Jacob's?
Because he's still fixing his.
Oh, his has been broken?
Yeah.
I think you'll do good on it after you.
Lord help.
It won't take long. I don't think you will.
I was wondering, I saw Joy here and I'm like, what's Joy here?
And I was saying, you probably wanted to pay
Joey was like, you know he's not observant.
I am too observant. What are you talking about?
I'm definitely not observant.
Well, I was basing it on you didn't know his car was gone.
No, that's because like
Megan Trainor and Nick Jonas.
But now I will be outside.
That's a country album.
So I guess now you're gonna be doing YouTube videos of people riding 100.
And within the hour, 4 or 5
There's a bunch of
seconds with
YouTube
Rihanna,
videos of
Kanye
people
West,
riding
and Paul McCartney. Only on CBS.
Alright, we'll see y'all later. Love you.
Bye, love you.
What's your favorite movie?
Do you even have a favorite movie? Does one even come to your head?
Yeah. There's this movie I watched on Netflix recently. I can't tell you the name of it because I don't remember. But I really liked it. Well, it was called The Pregnancy Project. Like, for this girl's senior project, she, like, faked being pregnant. And it was, like, to show teen moms that even though they're, like, pregnant as a teenager, they still can, like, do things with their life. Like, even though people are going to talk about them and be mean, like, they shouldn't just give up just because they're having a kid.
No.